Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade on Schwab after hours. If you're looking to make trades outside regular market hours, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to get started. First, you'll need to log into your Charles Schwab account. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you're logged in, navigate to the trading section of the website or the mobile app. Look for options related to after-hours trading, which is typically labeled as extended hours trading. Keep in mind that there are specific hours for after-hours trading, usually from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Next, you should familiarize yourself with the stocks or ETFs you want to trade. After-hours trading can have lower liquidity and wider spreads, so it's essential to choose wisely. Use Schwab's research tools to analyze current market conditions and make informed decisions. When you find a stock you want to trade, select it and prepare your order. Finally, when placing your order, ensure you choose the appropriate order type. You can usually select from options like market or limit orders. Once you're ready, double-check your order details and then proceed to place it. Remember, trading after hours carries its own risks, so proceed with caution and have a strategy in place. Happy trading!